Imagine a world where space travel is as commonplace as driving a car, where the stars are within reach and the cosmos is our playground. Now, imagine that this world is on the brink of a monumental breakthrough. What if I told you that there's a spaceship out there, right now, that could revolutionize space exploration? A vessel capable of reaching the farthest corners of our galaxy faster than anything we've ever seen? That's the story of Spaceship X, a groundbreaking project that's been shrouded in mystery for years. Rumored to be backed by some of the world's most influential figures, Spaceship X has captured the imagination of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts alike. But what exactly is Spaceship X? What makes it so special? And why is it generating so much buzz? The mystery of Spaceship X. At its core, Spaceship X is a spacecraft unlike anything we've ever seen before. It's said to be powered by a revolutionary propulsion system that defies our current understanding of physics. Some speculate that it might be using exotic matter, dark energy, or even wormholes to achieve its incredible speed. The ship's design is equally enigmatic. There are rumors of a cloaking device, advanced life support systems, and even artificial intelligence that can pilot the vessel autonomously. But perhaps the most intriguing aspect of Spaceship X is its mission. Where is it going? What is it searching for? And who is behind it all? The players. While the exact identities of those involved in Spaceship X remain largely unknown, there are a few names that keep popping up. Some believe that it's a joint project between several leading space agencies, while others insist that it's the brainchild of a secretive private organization. There are also persistent rumors that certain wealthy individuals and even extraterrestrial beings may be involved. Whether these claims are true or simply the product of wild speculation remains to be seen. The evidence. Despite the secrecy surrounding Spaceship X, there have been occasional glimpses of evidence that suggest it might be real. There have been reports of unusual celestial phenomena, unexplained radio signals, and even eyewitness accounts of a mysterious spacecraft moving at incredible speeds. Of course, these reports are often dismissed as hoaxes or misinterpretations. But the fact that they continue to surface raises the question, is there something out there that we don't understand? The future of space exploration. If Spaceship X is real, it could represent a giant leap forward for humanity. It could open up new frontiers, allow us to explore distant planets, and even make contact with extraterrestrial life. But it could also pose significant risks. What happens if we encounter a hostile alien civilization? Or if the technology falls into the wrong hands? The implications are staggering. So, what's the truth about Spaceship X? Is it a myth, a hoax, or a reality that's about to change everything we know about the universe? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the mystery of Spaceship X continues to fascinate and intrigue us. And as we stand on the brink of a new era of space exploration, the possibilities are endless. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.